Bismillah Rahman Rahim, starting with the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Today the topic of my presentation is Introduction to Human Nutrition. So I am going to record this clip especially for my BSN second semester students, which is the course curriculum of Applied Nutrition. So before starting this lecture, we know better that men need food to live. Without food, no one is able to survive. While the process of getting energy from the food, that is called nutrition, or the process through which we can get the energy from that particular food, that is called nutrition. Some nutritional information you can see on my screen, the table which is already given. So that is apple, peaches, nectarines, plums, Asian pear, strawberry, raspberries, blueberries, pumpkin. These are the serving size. For example, 1 medium apple, 1 medium peach, 1 medium nectarine, 1 medium plum, 1 medium pear, 8 medium berries, 10 raspberries and 1 cup blueberries and 1 cup pumpkins. Now for example, you have 1 medium apple. So 1 medium apple, it will give you 80 calories energy. So 1 medium apple also contains 22 gram of carbohydrates, 5 gram fiber, while proteins, fats and sodium, they are absent. Mean in 1 medium apple you can find out 22 gram carbohydrates and 5 gram fiber, while it will provide you 80 calories energy. Peaches, 1 medium peach, it will provide you 40 calories energy, 10 gram in carbohydrate, 0.06 gram protein are present, while the fiber, that is 1.5 gram, and there is no fats and sodium in 1 medium peach. While in nectarine also contains 70 calories energy, 16 gram carbohydrate, 1 gram protein and 3 gram fiber, 1 gram fats and 0 milligram sodium. Plums, 1 medium plums, which provide 36 calories energy, 8.6 gram carbohydrate, 0.52 gram proteins, 1.0 gram fiber, 0.41 gram fats and 0 milligram sodiums. Asian pears, 1 medium pear, contain 59 calories energy, 13 gram carbohydrates, 0.9 gram proteins and 4 gram fibers, while 0.1 gram fats. Strawberry, 8 medium berries, which contain 70 calories energy, 17 gram carbohydrate, 1 gram protein, 3 gram fibers and 0.5 gram fats. Raspberry, 10 raspberry contain 10 calories energy, 2.3 gram carbohydrate, 0.2 gram protein and 1.2 gram fibers, 0.1 gram fats and 0.2 milligram sodium. So look at the different concentration and the different nutrients which are present and that particular fruit. The same case with blueberries. So if 1 cup of blueberries, if they are taken, so it will must contain 83 calories energy, 21.0 gram carbohydrate, 1.1 gram protein, 3.5 gram fiber, 0.5 gram fats. While pumpkin, 1 cup of pumpkin, it will provide you 49 calories energy and 12 gram carbohydrates, 2 gram protein, 3 gram fiber and 0 gram fats and many and more. It should be noticed that slight variation depending on variety figures reflect overall average for the fruit, and figure are based